Hey guys, this is Abhishek Kumar. Welcome to my another unboxing video. This time, I'm gonna unbox a brand new Noise Bursts BS202 TWS. Let's start. The packaging comes with Noise Bursts branding front side. Here comes the actual product Noise Bursts BS202. We also got a charging cable that is type A to type C. We got some cool noise stickers. You can stick anywhere you want. Some manuals, a warranty card. Talking about price, this is a Peugeot TWS which comes with amazing features. The price of these birds is around 1200 to 1500. First impressions, birds are really nice. Talking about build quality, it's amazing. The front and back part of the birds are matte finish, but the sides are glossy, which really gives a premium look to the birds at this price point. These are half-in-air type birds, comes with unique design. This white little one is a Noise logo, which will indicate charging light. And a bottom we see a type C port. We got the Noise logo and the indication light on both birds. Also got the metal light in both birds, which prevents the internal elements from water or sweat. The little one is mic, which is on both TWS. The special thing about these TWS is that they both weights is only 3 grams each, and with case the weight is approx 24 grams. Now talking about connection, it comes with the latest 5.3 Bluetooth connectivity, also with the HyperSync technology. Now what this HyperSync technology really means is that as soon as you open your case, it connects automatically with the device within a time frame of 2 or 4 seconds. That's nice about it. Talking about sound quality, it comes with 13mm drivers. Obviously, bass quality is balanced because of its design that is half-in-air type. But the trebles, lows and mids to high, high to low are amazing and well focused and optimized. Overall, it comes with amazing sound signature performance. The Noise Bursts BS202 comes with IPX4 rating. Talking about battery life, Bursts comes with Insta Charge feature. Means the Burst takes max to max 30 to 40 minutes to get fully charged, and 1 hour charging time of the case. Each bird gets 6 hours of battery backup with a 70% volume. Playback time with case is 24 hours. Now, the last comment on this bird is Noise Bursts BS202 is all amazing. That's all. See you next time.